Good morning, guys. So it is 5:37 in the morning right now. I woke up at 5, but I was having a little hard time motivating, like actually getting out of bed. So this week I'm gonna take you guys with me a week in my life, and this morning I'm actually heading into the city because I'm starting a new job. So I'm training today and tomorrow, and I'm going to get ready. I just started making my breakfast and I'm gonna make my bed, and then I'm gonna head out. So I'm gonna take the train into the city and then go to work for today. But I just wanted to check in with you guys for the first day, which is Monday, and we will see what the rest of the day has in store. See you guys later. Alright guys, I'm done getting ready now, and I'm about to head out the door to catch the train in time, but I will catch up with you guys a little bit later. But this is the outfit of the day. So it's just like a shirt and my black jeans and my black booties. So let's go ahead and get to work. Hey guys, alright, so I just got home from work. It's about to be 5 and I'm gonna warm up my dinner. I like to meal prep ahead of the week so I don't have to like come home and cook. So I'm gonna eat dinner and then probably do a little bit of yoga just to relax, and then work on the video that I need to upload, just edit that, and then just get ready for bed. It's been a long day. I don't know if it's because it's Monday or what, but I just got done eating dinner and it's 6:50 and I'm just so tired. Like my eyes keep closing. I'm like this and I'm like watching an episode of New Girl. I'm just so tired right now. I'm so tired that I'm laying down on my bed, like on top of my bed, and I have my jacket on me as a pillow, as a blanket, because I don't want to get up to get under the covers, nor do I want to get up to get a blanket. So I'm using my jacket as a blanket. Yeah. I need to get up. I can't fall asleep right now because then my sleeping's gonna be all out of whack. Not till 9. I can make it another 2.5 hours. I can make it. Alright, I just wanted to update you guys on how my Monday's going. Okay, so today is Tuesday and I know I didn't vlog anything this morning. That's because if you can see my bed back there, I didn't even have time to make my bed this morning because I woke up late. I was like rushing to get to the train and I like got there on time, thank God. But yeah, I had like no time to do makeup. I had no time to do my bed. So I literally just like got dressed, washed my face, brushed my teeth, and then like got out the door. But I am back now. I'm eating dinner right now, and I've got to edit a video that's gonna go live on Wednesday. So by the time you guys see this, you will have already hopefully seen the video that I'm editing now, which is the lifestyle / skincare haul. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't seen it, I'll go ahead and link it up on the screen so you can go ahead and check that out after you're done watching this video. But yeah, tonight's gonna be just pretty low-key. I just want to eat my dinner, edit the video, take a shower, just relax and unwind, and yeah, that'll be my Tuesday. I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Hey guys, what's up? So I am currently at the parking lot of my work. I'm just about to leave work. It is officially Wednesday and I am gonna go to the store. Gonna go to Franklin Mills Mall because their Charlotte Russe stores are all closing. So I'm trying to get some shoes from there because I really love their shoes and they're really like cheap, and with the closeout store, I can only imagine that the prices are gonna be even lower. So I'm gonna go check that out at 7. I have a DIY event. They're these little plant succulent things that Sandra, Jen, and I think our friend Mikey is gonna meet us out for, kind of up in that area. So I'm just gonna go pop into Charlotte Russe really quick, see if they have any cute shoes, and then drive down to the DIY succulent event, and then we'll probably get like drinks and some snacks and stuff for dinner while we're there. That's from 7 to 9. So let's go ahead and hit the road. So update, I forgot my camera in the car whenever I got off to do the succulent night, but I took some footage on my iPhone, so you guys saw that already. But let me show you how cute my little succulent plant is. Look at how cute he is. He's in a little teacup. I feel like this one's a boy. So I have one already. Her name is Pippa, and I got her 2.5 years ago, and I had her at my desk at work. But I'm starting a new job, so I am on Monday, so tomorrow by the time you guys see this video. So I want to put this little guy at my desk, so if you guys want to help me name him, he's a little succulent plant in a little teacup, so I don't know what we should name him, so drop down below any comments what you think I should name him. But before I went to the succulent night, I also went to Charlotte Russe. I found a lot of stuff and I spent $30, you guys, for all of this. So let me just go ahead and show you guys a little mini haul that I did. So I spent $32.72 in total. I got this camel hat. It's like a flat brim camel hat, and it's got this really cute little studded ribbon on there. I just think it's so cute. How cute is this hat, like for fall time? I've got a black one, but I've wanted like a camel one like this for a while now, so that's my hat. It's so cute. It's like originally $14, and I think I got it for $10. And then I got these shoes, you guys. How cute are these booties? How stinking cute. And these were originally $36.99. And then I got them for 10 bucks. So awesome. These were literally the only like size 7 shoes I could find there. They had like all 8, 9 and above. They had a bunch of other cute booties, but I didn't fit any of them, so I got these. They're kind of like a suede material, so another great like little cowboy detailed boot. Super cute, 10 bucks. And then I got this double buckle belt. I think this was like $6. And I have a black one just like this, but now I have a camel one. And then this really cute studded wallet. How cute is this wallet? It's got a little tassel. It's just like 10 bucks. I think it was like another $6 for this. And it's got like room for credit cards. And then it's got 2 slots in here. But I was like, how cute is this wallet? And tomorrow, Thursday, I've got work again, and then I've got dinner plans with Sandra. It is restaurant week in King of Prussia, which is one of the suburbs of Philly. So we're gonna go to a restaurant out in KOP, and I will take you guys with me along for that as well. Hopefully I won't forget my camera this time, so you guys get a little bit better footage than on my iPhone. But yeah, it was a great Wednesday night. I had a lot of fun. The succulent night was a lot of fun. I would definitely do that again. And I got some great finds. So I think it was a pretty solid hump day. Alright guys, well I'm going to get ready for bed and get ready for tomorrow's Thursday. Hey guys, what's up? So I am just about to leave work. It is officially Thursday, and tonight after work I have dinner plans with Sandra. So it is King of Prussia restaurant week, and we're gonna go check out one of their restaurants. It's called Season 52. Neither of us have ever been there before, so I'm excited to try out their menu. I'm excited, I'm hungry, so I'm excited for some food. Hopefully it's really good. I got some really good reviews online, so hopefully it doesn't disappoint. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this evening started. From dinner, and like I said, I was having dinner with Sandra, and if you guys don't know who Sandra is, she's been in a lot of my vlogs before, Toronto and Vietnam and a bunch of other ones, but I had dinner with her tonight for restaurant week, and she's so sweet. She brought me a gift. Sandra and I are actually co-workers. That's how we met. We've been working together for like 2.5 years now, and that's how we met and became friends. So we're no longer going to be working in the same building. She got me a little gift, and I thought it was so cute. She brought it to dinner. And let me just show you guys really quick. So this is my card that she got me. How cute is this little French bulldog with sunglasses? It's so cute. So this is my card. And then she like wrote in the card like all the stuff that she got me, but she got me some face masks and headphones because I'm constantly breaking or losing my headphones at work. And she got me a Lush bath bomb. It smells really freaking good. And then some notepads because I literally like burn through notepads like it's nobody's business. So she just got me like a little parting gift. That was my Thursday night, and tomorrow is Friday. I just have my last day of work at my current company, but I'm going to end this vlog with tomorrow night. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. It is officially Friday, so today is the last day of my week, well, of my Monday through Friday week, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here today because tomorrow is going to be some St. Patty's Day festivities, and I'll go ahead and make another vlog for that. Today I actually had my last day of work at my current company. It was really a nice day, but I was so sad to like leave my like teammates and people that I've gotten to know at corporate behind, but yeah, it's gonna be good. So I'm excited for Monday, and that'll be my first day of the new job or the new position at the new location. But I actually went to TJ Maxx right after work. Shocker, I know. I got these lashes. So these are Dell lashes. It's in a twin pack, and they're like the wispy sort of fake lashes, so I can wear these tomorrow whenever we go out for St. Patty's Day, and they're only $4 at $3.99. The other thing is the Kat Von D locket. So you guys have seen me talk about this before, but they had it on sale, so I got it for $6. I got another one just because I'm not running low on the other one just yet, but I figured if it's this cheap and I like it, might as well buy another one from the same product line. That is what I purchased today at TJ Maxx after work. So tonight I'm actually going to keep it pretty chill. I'm not going to go out or anything because we're going out tomorrow, and I'm going to be out pretty much all of the day tomorrow. So I'm just going to edit this footage for you guys and get it uploaded. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this kind of a week in my life vlog. If you did, go ahead and leave me a comment down below, and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let me know if you guys have any ideas of some videos that you would like to see from me. I'm having a lot of fun creating these different type of videos, so I haven't really settled like on a style of what kind of videos I create, so I'm just kind of trying everything, and I'm having a lot of fun doing it. So definitely leave some suggestions down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. Also hit the subscribe button if you're not part of the family already. Go ahead and do that, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.